Hi friends, I am Ali back here again with a new video. In this video, I will be teaching you regarding the attributes of list. In my previous video, I have told you how to design a list and what is list method in Python. But in this video, I will show some attributes. But what are attributes? Attributes are basically the behavior of list or some characteristics or property of list, which you can do while dealing with the list method in Python. So without wasting any time, I am going to tell you the most basic 5 attributes of list, and I will be teaching you more of them in the later videos. So without wasting any time, I am going towards my PyCharm. Here already I have made a list. In this list I have put 5 fruit names that are orange, banana, apple, mango and cherry. Now what are attributes? I told you the tools or properties or action you can do within list. So starting with our first attribute, what if we want to add an element in a list? Then there is an attribute of list and I will tell you how. Now L1 is our list name, then I will write it attribute L1 dot append. Now what I want to add is I want to add element that is peach in the list. Now I will write print n L1, sorry, L1. This is, now I will run in front of you. What happened is, here you can see an element peach has been added to the list. But one thing you should notice is the element I added is to the at last of the list. So by using the append, not only you add a element in a list, but it will be added to the last position of your list. Now what if I have to change the case of any particular element in a list? Then what I have to do is I will write L1 and then I will give the index. Since in my previous video which you can see in my channel playlist, I have told you that index in the list starts from 0. So if I want to change the case of banana, I will write L1 and its index equal to 1 dot upper. Here you can see I am writing upper, but here is a mistake that I have not closed the parenthesis of index. Now I want to print it. You will see what happens then. Print, again closing the parenthesis. Now I am going to run that. Here you can see I have obtained the second but having the index 1 banana with the capital letters because of this L1 index 1 dot upper method, or you can say attribute. Now I want to access any particular element in a list. So what I have to do is I would like to write L1 and then I would like to write 0. I would give print now I'm going to run it. Here you can see I have obtained the first element of our list. Since the index is 0, I am telling you again and again, and you can watch it in my video as well. I have got the orange when I put the index 0. Now if I want to add any element, which I can do with append, but I have to add it on a particular position in a list. So what I have to use is another attribute, that is insert. I would write L1 dot insert. Now first of all I have to give the position at which I want to add. For example, I want to add at the second position, so I will write 1 the index and then the name I want to add. So I will write here falsa in front of you, and I have given the index 1. So you will see if any change occurs. I am now going to print this list, print L1, and now I'm going to run this. What happens, you see then? Now you can see that it has added the falsa at the first index of the list, that is the second position in the list accurately. So we have successfully operated our fourth. Now I'm going towards our fifth attribute, that is last for this video. Now what if we want to delete any particular element? So here I have to write del, then the list name, that is L1, and then I have to give the index. For example, I want to delete the element at the index 3, so I will write delete L1 3, and now I am going to print our list, print and L1. This is, I'm going to run this. Here you can see one element has been deleted from the list, and that element is apple because it was on the third index of the list. So this was all from my today's video. In this video you have learned how to add an element at last at any fixed position, deleting an element, accessing an element, and case swapping of element. This was the most 5 basics attributes of list, and you can play of many attributes with list, which I will be telling you in the my later videos. Hope you have liked this video, you have cleared your concept regarding list, which is very important method in Python programming or any other programming as well. Like my video, share it, and also comment us to share your suggestion. I will be back again with some more video. That's it for today. Thank you.